Hey everyone, Crash with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This one actually released this past Saturday, July 19th. I believe it was, July 19th. It is currently still in stock, and I'm so excited to open this up for you all. This is called Protection Runes by Simz.Art. I have loved Simz.Art images for a very long time, and I've always wondered what is with the ghost cats. I did find out that she actually used to be a comic book artist, and the ghosts cats were in her comics, or she may still do it, I'm not sure. But yeah, this one is called Protection Runes by Simz.Art, and it is 69.9 centimeters by 87.9 centimeters. It is a square drill canvas. We have our beautiful Diamond Art Club box here, how it works, kit contents, and we have our thumbnail on the side here. This is 65 colors, including 1 AB and 2 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds, 99,193. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I want to know how many in here are Simz.Art fans like I am, and how many of you grabbed it this past Saturday? Inquiring minds want to know. Alright, so inside of our slidey box here we have our toolkit, we have our canvas, and we have our thank you card with all the drills and such. Go ahead and set this over here. Alright, so we will go through the toolkit here very quickly, because I'm sure you all have seen this a bazillion times. Alright. So we have our Diamond Art Club twist tool here. You twist it very slowly and you'll start to see putty come out. Just don't go crazy and twist it a bunch. So there's that. We have extra baggies here for drill storage if you don't have, those containers or anything. We have our Diamond Art Club upgraded tray here with the lid, which comes with extra putty, a heart wax if you don't like their putty, and a larger multi-placer. This is a 7-placer here. And of course it just popped out on me. And of course our tray has its stopper here. So yeah, beautiful upgraded trays. And the lid just slides right back in there, like so, easy peasy. All right, I'm gonna set this over here. Maybe, there we go. All right, and here is our thank you card. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and we'll take a look at the symbols and the card. All right, so inside the thank you we have our treasure quest card, our symbols, and then this pamphlet here. It gives you step-by-step instructions, your kit contents, tips and tricks. You have a QR code to their Facebook group, and also save 20% off of your next order. If you're brand new to Diamond Art Club, you can go ahead and click my affiliate link in the description of this video. If you're brand new, haven't purchased before, you will get a discount, and I do get a small kickback. So here is our treasure quest card. These are just another way for you to collect based on the canvases you have, and it has the name of the artist, the canvas name, and the size. If you flip it over, you can see what rarity it is. This one is a bronze. And yeah, you can collect these, scratch them off, and save up points to get like gift cards or even a custom diamond painting. And I do have a link in the description of this video if you want more information about the treasure quest cards. And then here are our symbols. Look at this. We have all 65 colors here. And you'll notice at the end is where they put their special drills. So we have our 2 fairy dusts and our ABs. Beautiful, regular old Diamond Art Club symbols. And these are individual stickers that you can use to label your containers to keep track when you do kit up. You also have the thumbnail here as a sticker that you can put on your container in case you have, more than one whip going on at a time. Alright, I'm going to set that off to the side here, and then we're going to get into the canvas. Alright, let's see where this thing opens up. Found it. Alright. Alright, gonna zoom you back out here. I'm so excited to see this one. Okay, maybe. Here we go. Now, is this the bottom? I think this is the bottom. Yes, it is. Okay. This is a long one. Oh, I love it. This image has so many details to it. It is going to be amazing. Oh, there's more than one ghost cat. I just saw it. Okay, I'm just going to roll this up the opposite way here. It's not going to be the prettiest roll, but it's just to keep it down. There we go. Look how beautiful this is. This is an extremely detailed canvas. There's so many little hidden things you got going on here. So she's up here. It looks like she's painting or drawing on the window. She's got her phone in her hand. We have Ghost Kitty number 1 here. It looks like an error on their laptop here. Lots of plants, and then down here, I didn't even notice in the image, but there's another Ghost Kitty down here. And let's see, on this side, right here we have our cute little candles lit up. And we have a skull on the table. Look at that. Then we're getting towards the bottom. Lots of beautiful hidden details here. And you know what? It's not, let me just zoom in a little bit. It is really not a crazy amount of confetti that I expected. With that many details in there, not a lot of confetti at all. This is a really cool one to do for drills and chills, and I really think that this would go by super fast if you were to do this one. Drills and Chills is coming up, so you might want to take a look. Now this one did release this past Saturday, and I did look before the filming of this unboxing, and it was not sold out yet. So, you might want to think about grabbing it. Okay, let's go ahead and go through the drills here. And I am going to go through each color one by one, so you do not have to stick around for this if you don't want to. But we are going to go through them, and then I will look to see where most of the special drills are that I could find, and let you know where those are. So, let's go through these pretty quickly here. Alright, so we have 610. This is like a greenish tan color. I don't know if that's coming through. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 610. And then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bags of 3021. Then we have 1, 2, 3 bags of 3371. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 310. We have 3 big old bags of 3047. 2 bags of 3781. All right, next strand here. Whew. All right, so we have 2 bags of 3781. Didn't I just say 3781? More, 3781. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 611. Ooh, look at this. Here's our first fairy dust, Z739, and we have 3 whopping bags of Z739. Look at that. Then we have 935. All right. Getting into this, we have 2 bags of 938, and then 2 bags of 898, 402, 37. Oh, we have 2 bags of 3787. Then 2 bags of 844, 3799, 3790, 3862, 934, 3856, 801, 451, 3782, 3776, 413, 3863. And we got the smaller ones here. We have 3022. And we have 452, 647, 414, 433, 754, 939, 3774, 918, 6031, 327, 3826, 317, 613, 3045, 3857, 169, 355, 301, 300. Then last strand here, we have 3052, 646, 167, 161, 829, Z3064, 372, 738, 6032, 841, 3772, 869, 3362, 3864, and then AB 5200, 535, 3042, 3032, 936, 640. So lots of like a darker palette for sure. And I'm sure mostly it's a darker image, you know? So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my gosh, I just found another cat. Oh my gosh, look. Right here in the corner. Do you see that? Right here? It's another cat. Let me just zoom in so you guys believe me. It's another cat. Found another one. So I've counted 3. So I'm curious if I missed any now. I'm gonna have to like stare at this for much longer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see where our special drills are. Give me just one moment. Okay, so our fairy dust drills are a lot in the low lights, like surrounding the entire canvas. Now the AB 5200, I saw outlining this here cat, and then down here this other cat in the corner here, if you could see him, and then also right here in the candles. And yeah, the fairy dust really are just sprinkled throughout the whole thing. Like some of them are here in the stool, a lot in the plants, and all the details surrounding it. I really do like this canvas. Like I said, it's not as much confetti as I expected with all the details. I think it would go by very fast. And I'm curious, how many cats did you all find? I'm up to 3. So if you found another one, you let me know, because now I'm curious. All right, and like I said, this one is still in stock. So if you want it, go grab it. It just released, so you have time. Like I said, if you're brand new with Diamond Art Club, use my affiliate link in the description below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this time. Thank you guys for watching. If you're brand new, hit that subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.